Hi, Blue, out of run 79. Hi, sweetheart. You're so calm.
That's how he was with me today. I took pictures and videos with him, and he was super
Beautiful.
calm. Brushed him and brushed him and brushed him.
He's very shiny. He's coughing a little bit.
No.
You want to see the kitty? Want to see the kitty?
Did you not smell the kitty?
You may not
here.
want to see the kitty.
No.
He's like, oh no, that's a kitty. I don't want to come
He's
near.
like, I don't want to see the kitty.
All right,
Let's
come
go
on.
play.
Tom, what do you think of this? Poor dog is sick.
No.
You're coughing. Oh, little baby.
Poor buddy. I know.
He is so sweet.
He is a sweet boy. I think he just scares people because he's black, but he's been so sweet with me.
You want to see the kitty?
We're in the South. And things with black dogs and black cats, it's
I
insane.
know.
It's
And
so
my
ridiculous.
best cats have been black
I know,
cats.
it's so ridiculous. Their protection. Come on. Tom, this one's scared of you. Perfect. Come on,
He's
get
not
out.
interested.
Come here. You want to see the kitty? Come.
Yeah, you pet Tom. He wants your hand.
Hi.
And he's like, I'm
He's
not,
not
looking at the kitty.
interested.
I'm not looking at the kitty.
Hi.
I'm
Wanna
not
see the
doing
kitty?
it.
Want to see the kitty?
No, I know. You're such a good boy. You're such a sweet boy.
You want to see the kitty? Come on. You smell the kitty?
Tom, come on, Ben. Come on, man.
Come
Tom.
on.
Tom.
Blue's not interested.
Oh, here comes Tom. Here comes Tom.
Hi, Tom. Hi. Hi.
He's not interested at all.
No, and that's why Tom was walking
Yeah.
towards him. He's scared of the
He
cat.
is scared.
Hi.
Oh, he's trying to rub up on him, and Blue's
Yeah.
like, no.
Tom knows. He knows when he has the upper hand. No, you're not going in your cage, Tom.
Yeah.
Is that kitty the boss of you? Tom.
Kitty is the boss of everybody. It's a good kitty.
It's okay.
Hi, Tom.
It's okay. The kitty's not gonna hurt you. Hi, Tom.
He's like, get me out of here. Come here, buddy. Why don't you even look at him?
He won't even look at Tom. He's
He's
like,
like,
oh
yeah,
my God, let me
leave
go. I'm gonna get killed.
Let's go back.
You'd rather be in your kennel than to see the kitty?
Kitty's gonna go see you, whether you like it or not, mister.
I know.
Blue.
It's okay, buddy.
He's got good respect for kitties. I like it.
He's very sweet.
Okay, I'm gonna put Tom up on the bench here.
See if I'll get Blue to come over there.
Oh, come here, Tom.
Come on, puppy. Come on.
He's purring.
Kitty.
Come
He's
on.
like, oh heck
He
no.
does not want to see the kitty.
Come on, buddy. You want to see the kitty? Come on. It's okay.
You know you're a good boy.
Come on. It's fine. It's okay.
Oh, poor baby. Come on. Video's getting too long. It's already 3
You want to see
minutes.
the kitty? Come on.
No, he does not want to see the kitty.
Come on, buddy.
Oh no, he's doing everything he can to
Get away from the kitty.
It's okay.
Oh, he's choking himself.
Feel
Oh, honey, you want a cookie?
You want a cookie? You want a treat? Yes, you good boy.
He is so shy.
He is, and he's so,
And so
sweet.
gentle. Oh, here comes the kitty, and he drops.
That's
his,
how he is with walking
and
too.
he drops the cookie because
The cat's
the kitty
coming.
is coming. Oh my God.
Look, Tom is not scared of him at all.
Now he's doing the stretch. He knows he's got the upper hand with this one.
Tom's purring.
Want to smell the kitty? You want to smell the kitty's butt? Here.
He's like, no, no, thank you.
Not interested.
You want to see the kitty?
No, no, thank you.
No, thank you. Look at how he even looked back at
Yeah,
him.
he's like shut. He's just, yeah, that's too funny. He'd be perfect with a cat.
Yeah,
He'd
he
walk
would.
circles around it.
He's like,